Welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to carry out Pearson correlation analysis in SPSS. So we have 8 variables. We have from ESE all the way up to PT. So these variables. So we want to carry out a correlation to find out the relationship between these variables using the Pearson correlation analysis. So these variables, this data has 384 observations. It has 384 observations, and Pearson correlation analysis tries to identify the strength and the direction of the relationship of the variables. So to carry out the analysis, you come here to analyze, you come here to correlate, you click bivalent. Then this window will appear. Then you select your variables, you press Ctrl and hold, then you select all the variables and then you click this arrow, and then the variables will appear on the variable tab. Then you come here to, before you go to options, you can come here, you can see here it is marked Pearson correlation. We are interested in Pearson correlation. There is also other types of correlations, including the Spearman's. We also need to have two-tailed test. Then we also need to see which relationships are significant. Therefore you click flag significant correlations. Then you come to options, and then you can exclude cases pairwise or exclude cases listwise. For this case, let's click exclude cases pairwise and then click continue and then click OK. And then you can see the results has been displayed, whereby the upper row is the variable names, and then we have the Pearson correlation, then we have the significance level, two-tailed test, and then we have n as the number of observations. So if we consider for the first one, the correlation between ESN and NS, this variable here, you can see it is 0.825, which means that it is strong and significant because it has 2 stars. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to discuss or how to interpret correlation analysis results.